Welcome to my channel. How to fix red blinking light on router. We've chosen a few tried and true ways to help you fix your internet connection problem. Let's start with the easiest ones first. First, check the connection. The cables and plugs can also be a bit of a problem. If there is a loose connection or a broken cable, the red internet light on your router could be on. It is often enough to go over the cable with our chair or to bend it too much, which will be damaged. We must carefully check each cable in our network and both ends. If we think a cable might cause the red internet light, we need to replace it. Second, power issues. If your router isn't getting enough power or the power isn't stable, it could be because your surge protector isn't working right. If you want to know if the red internet light is because of the surge protector, you can take the power cable out of the surge protector and plug it into an electrical outlet. Third, don't rush to fix it. Most of the time, this is a short-term problem that will go away on its own in a short time. Since this is the case, it is best not to rush through troubleshooting. Just wait a little bit and see what happens. If you see that the internet light is still blinking after a long time, you can try the given solutions. Fourth, restart your router. Take the router's power cord and pull it out of the electrical outlet. After a while, plug the power cable back in. The router should start up on its own. It would help if you only had to wait a few minutes for the LED lights to settle down. Then take another look at the internet light. Depending on the type of router, it should be either green or blue. Fifth, know an IP address. This problem can be fixed from the router's admin dashboard, so we need to know how to log into our router. You can find the WAN settings in either the Advanced or Network section. Next to it, you have to check the box next to Automatic IP. If it isn't, check Automatic IP and click the Save button to confirm your choice. Check to see if this fixed the issue. Sixth is your ISP down. When your ISP is down for some reason, the red internet light on your router is likely to be on. There could be a power outage, a technical problem, or maintenance on the network, among other things. If we want to know if our ISP is down in our area, we can call their customer service or go to their website. Thanks for watching.